Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. We're meeting today to talk about cars, and not just any car, the Tesla Cybertruck. The model should be released in 2021, and we have to admit that the first images of the vehicle can leave you perplexed. That's why we're offering you a closer look at the vehicle of the future proposed by our dear Elon Musk. But first, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss out on any high-tech news. Let's go and discover the brand new Tesla Cybertruck right now. We all agree that the design of the Cybertruck leaves no one indifferent. Some people like it, and others are not so keen on its appearance. It looks like something out of an 80s sci-fi movie. But Tesla's aim is not to offer an elegant car, but rather a vehicle that stands out from the rest of the competition. The pickup is almost 6 meters long and almost 2 meters high, and is presented as being ultra-resistant. The skeleton of the vehicle is made of high-strength steel, which could be capable of stopping certain calibers of bullets. It could also withstand various more or less violent shocks. It would therefore be almost indestructible and could ensure greater safety for its passengers. The car's windows are flat and made of transparent metal. They are also designed to be extremely strong. During the conference, Elon Musk conducted various demos to prove the strength of these materials. In addition, he had one of his engineers hammer the doors. No marks were found. Another demonstration consisted of throwing steel balls on the windows. The balls left visible marks, but did not penetrate the glass. Tesla has 3 versions of the Cybertruck in its catalogue. The first version has a rear engine and only 2-wheel drive. It will be able to go from 0 to 100 km an hour in 6.5 seconds and will be able to reach speeds of 177 km an hour. It will be able to carry 6 passengers. The second version is twin engine with 4-wheel drive. The 0 to 100 time is 4.5 seconds and the maximum speed could reach 193 km an hour. Finally, for the more sporty, the last version is equipped with 3 electric motors and 4-wheel drive to reach 100 in 3 seconds and could reach a top speed of 209 km an hour. According to Tesla's boss, this model will be able to beat a Porsche 911 without any problem. Inside the car there will be 6 seats, a small rectangular steering wheel and a simple 17-inch touchscreen. The user interface has been completely redesigned for the model. Although the Cybertruck can reach impressive speeds, Tesla explains that this vehicle is intended to be a utility vehicle first and foremost. It could therefore be capable of towing between 3,400 and 6,350 kilograms, depending on the version chosen. Its 2-meter-long body can carry all kinds of large objects, up to 1,590 kilos. Designed to appeal to a wide range of users, the Cybertruck could also become an ally for travellers and campers. Once the bonnet is put back on the rear body, it will be possible to convert it into a kitchen or a small bedroom during a road trip. And to be able to transport all this and still be off-road, the Cybertruck is equipped with air suspension that raises its ground clearance to 40 centimeters. Its approach and departure angles are 35 and 26 degrees respectively, where the competition never exceeds 25 degrees. Tesla is not known for offering us petrol or diesel vehicles, and the Cybertruck is no exception. Electricity means batteries, and depending on the model sold, the battery life would not be the same. The range could be anything from 400 to 800 kilometers. It wouldn't be surprising to find the same cells as on the Tesla Model 3. The Cybertruck is not expected to be delivered until mid-2021. For those interested, it is already possible to place a pre-order directly on the Tesla website. Deliveries will initially be concentrated in North America. For Europe, it seems complicated and unlikely that the model can land on our roads in its current state. As regulations are different, some modifications will probably be necessary. Moreover, during his last conference, Elon Musk specified that the deliveries that will be guaranteed in 2021 only concern the 3-engine model. The other versions will be delivered the following year. The Cybertruck should be manufactured in the Gigafactory. The factory is located in Texas, and the work should be completed before May 2021. Mass production should begin immediately after completion. However, you will need a big budget to afford this futuristic vehicle. The price ranges from $39,900 for the first version to $69,900 for the most powerful. And while the Cybertruck isn't out yet, Tesla engineers are already working on the next generation of the futuristic pickup. Elon Musk never stops innovating. And that's it, folks. That's it for today. So, what do you think of the latest Tesla model? Don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. If you like the video, please click on the blue thumb. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any high-tech news. As for me, I'll see you soon for new high-tech discoveries. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.